Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is the exponent and powers. Okay, so students, in the last video already we have discussed about that different laws of exponents. Yes, how that same base with you we are multiplying, that power will be added, and the same base with you the power will be subtracted, and that negative integral of the power already we have discussed with the some examples. But students, by using these rules or laws of exponent, we will simplify some examples, which one I have written on the board. So let us start that, students, how we will solve this problem by using the laws. So question number 1, example 1, simplify using laws of exponent and write the result in exponent form. Students, first of all you have to solve this problem by using that our exponent laws, and then after you have to make it result in the exponent form you have to write. Okay, so first A, I will solve it, students. Let it me solution. First one, A. Solution. So write that question first. 5 to the power 8 into 5 to the power minus 3. Students, what did you observe? You have to first observe that question. Here bases are same and multiplication is there. If the bases are same and that we are doing the multiplication, at that time what you have to do? You have to the power you have to add by that first law. If you will see that, you can understand. If then what will get? 5 to the power 8 plus minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5 minus 8 minus 3 means 5. So is equal to 5 to the power 5 is equal to how much? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Or if you that already it has given right in exponent form, so no need to write that values, just write that exponent form. Okay, and we can write here what is that formula. We can write that is our formula. Which formula we have used? We used that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This formula with we have done this. Okay, so now look at the, students, question number 2. We can do that B. What is that? 4 to the whole to the power or raised to the power minus 3 into 3 whole to the power minus 3. Okay, so what will get? If the bases are different but power same, if the power same, then what you will get? How we should find out that answer? So already I have told you, if that power you have to multiply and the same base you have to multiply. First of all, 4 into 3 whole power minus 3. Why? Now that formula, what is the law? Exponent law. Now if a to the power m into b to the power m, then answer a into b whole power m. So with this formula we are doing. So that's why what will get that now, students? 12 to the power minus 3. Okay, so there is one negative exponent form that is there. You can write also 1 power 12 power 3, like that also you can do, or like that, no problem. This is our also answer because this is exponential form. Okay, now students, we can do third questions. So let me solve here. Third question I will solve here. See, what is that? 6 to the power minus 7, 6 to the power minus 7 into division 6 to the power minus 3. So what will get, students? Here did you understand? Here the bases are same. Here the both bases, this base is 6, this base is 6. So both bases are same. So and division is there. Operation is division. So when both bases are there and we are doing the division, then the power will be subtracted. Okay. So what will I do? So power, how can will be right subtracted? 6 to the power minus 7 minus 3. So is equal to 6 to the power minus 7 plus 3 is equal to 6 to the power minus 4. So this is our answer. If which formula we have used? Since the formula a to the power m division a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. This is our formula. Okay, so like that formula with you we can find out that answer. So now did you understand, students? So first of all, simplify the using law by exponent. By the exponent law with you we have found that value, and then after we simplify as a exponent form. Okay, first of all we used that loss of exponent, then after we are forming the exponent form. Okay, now Second example, students, I will explain to you. Now look at here, students. Simplify and write in exponential form. So first of all you have to simplify, then after you have to write in exponential form. So how will solve that? See, minus 8 power minus 3 into minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. What will get that answer? Look at the students. First of all you have to compare, you have to observe what is that. Now here minus 3 there, here also minus 3 there. So what you have to do? So that means this both you have to multiply. So first of all minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. Which formula we are using? We are using this formula. Which formula? Now a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab whole power m. This formula with we are doing. Okay. Students, this formula it is very essential, connective. It is called as connective. So this formula with we are doing. That's why you have to write that. So then after we can do, if we multiply, then what will get? 8 by 2. Because 8 1 because here 1 is there, minus minus plus 8 1 8, 1 2 2 whole power minus 3 is equal to, how will get if we cut this, you will get that 4 power minus 3. This is our answer. Okay. Now second question, students, we can do solve it. Second question. Now the second question, what will get? Minus 2 whole power 4 into 3 whole power minus 4 into 5 whole power 4. So what will get? Observe the students, this all powers are same. Okay. So now what you have to do? If the all powers are same, then we can add. So multiply. So we can write this. If 3 are there, if you will do this first, then after we can write this. First this 2 you do. It is very easy to do that. So minus 2 into 3. Okay. You can. First of all this 2 you do, because this is positive integral. So first of all you do this 2, minus 2 whole power 4 into 5 whole power 4 into 3 whole power minus 4. So first this 2 you do. So minus 2 into 5 whole power 4 into 3 whole power minus 4. So is equal to, what will get? Minus 10 whole power 4 into 3 whole power minus 4. Students, observe that if integral power negative sign is there, then what you have to do? Now we have to make it reciprocal. So we can do minus 10 whole power 4 into 1 by 3 whole power 4. Now we can write it minus 10 whole power 4 by 3 whole power 4 is equal to, because the denominator we are multiplying like that. So now minus 10 power 3 whole power 4. This is our answer. Did you understand this? Once you remember the students, if the negative power is there, then we can make it a denominator as just reciprocal we can do, and this first numerator we are multiplying and simplifying as a denominator as usual we are keeping. So I hope you have understand about that, how to simplify that by using the law of exponent, and the result also we made that by what? Exponent form. Okay. So next, like that examples you have to practice more, and if you have doubt you can ask to me. Thank you all of you.